Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So it's a new year 2021, so it was a very bad year last year 2020 it was a very hard year for all of us, right? So I hope this will be a new and good beginning for all of us, and I pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it a prosperous and a good year for us. Okay, so we'll continue with the lesson. Same thing, we did the lesson in the last class, it was the Jannam. So today we will do the exercise part of it. I hope you all kids have made resolutions in your life what to do in this year. Like this, the Jannam was very dutiful, he was being rewarded. So I hope if you also make good resolutions, good promises with you all to yourself, you will one day be rewarded for that. Okay. So get your readers at page number 101. So here on this, the question and answers part we have already done in the last class. So we'll start with the bit B. So here some statements have been given. I'll read out the statement and you have to tell me who said these. First is admit only the emperor. Who said this statement? ये statement किसने बोला था? Jannam, officer, Napoleon or the captain? Officer. So right here, officer. The next is get away from here or I'll shoot. किसने बोला था ये? यहाँ से चले जाओ वरना मैं shoot कर दूँगा. It was Jannam. Then third one, put your gun down. Who said this? जब Jannam ने नेपोलियन के ऊपर gun point किया था, who said that? It was the captain. So right, captain here. Then fourth is he would have shot you. Who said these words? It was same captain. Then fifth is he would have done the right thing. ये line किसने बोली थी ये statement? It was Napoleon Bonaparte. Now next bit, tick the correct option. So in these three options you have to tick the correct one. First is the house was ready for the officer, captain or emperor? For the emperor. Second is Napoleon was the emperor of Germany, France or England? France. Third is which quality describes the Jannam best? Brave, punctual or dutiful? It is dutiful. Now turn up your page. So here on this language, today we will learn about exclamation. Okay, so what is an exclamation? This one is called as an exclamation. Right, this is an exclamation mark. So when it is being used? So see here, get away from here or I'll shoot. So in the last one you are seeing an exclamation mark. Then second one, oh noble and great ruler. In the last again you are saying exclamation, long live the emperor. These sentences show strong emotions or feelings, right? These sentences are showing feelings and emotions. The sentences that show commands or emotions are called exclamatory sentences. So mark this one. The sentences that show commands or emotions are called exclamatory sentences, and these sentences end with an exclamation mark. जब हम command देते हैं, emotions express करते हैं, so those words are called as exclamatory sentences. तो और ये end कैसे होते हैं? Exclamation mark से end होते हैं. Okay. So rewrite the following sentences as exclamations. Use only 3 or 4 words. Okay, some words are being given here, statements. इसी को क्या करना है हमें? Exclamatory sentence बनाना है. Fine. I want you to be fast. So what is this? It is an command. So we can write it as be fast. After that an exclamation. है ना? We are giving a command. So we can say it be fast. Then it is a great surprise. What it is? It is showing an emotion. So we can write a great surprise. है ना? After that again exclamation. Then third one, you should put the knife down. What it is? It is a command. So what we'll write? Put the knife down. It's a command. So after that put an exclamation. Fourth one, you must go away. It is also a command. So write go away, then exclamation. Then fifth is I need your help urgently. So what is this? It's an emotion, it's an order, it's an emotion. So need your help urgently, after that exclamation. Okay. Then next bit, write exclamation mark or question mark at the end of these sentences. हमें क्या करना है, ये sentences के after में exclamation mark या फिर question mark add करना है. Fine. So first is what a great movie. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, emotion आ रहा है या फिर a question आ रहा है. It's an emotion, we are expressing. So write exclamation there. Second is did you see the spider? It is inquiry, right? So write a question mark. Then what a lovely day. Again expressing, exclamation mark. Fourth is would you believe it? It's an inquiry, right? Question mark. Then you are fired. It is a command. So write exclamation mark. Then how beautiful you look. It's in expression motion, write the exclamation mark. Now the next one, vocabulary. Replace the colored adjective with a suitable adjective that has the same meaning. Choose the words from the help box. So here in the sentences, the colored word are some adjectives. We have to replace them with the same meaning from the box. Okay, so in the box here, write fancy, courageous, unique, fine and costly. These meanings are given. According to these sentences, we have to change the red color into this, red color word into this meaning, right. So the first one is the soldiers were brave. Brave का क्या होगा meaning? It is write fancy, courageous, unique or fine or costly. It is courageous. So write courageous. Second is what a strange person he is. Strange means write fancy, unique, fine or costly. It is unique. Strange means unique. Then third, I hope you have a good journey. Good sense, write fancy, fine or costly. It is fine. I hope you have a fine journey. Then fourth is new computers are very expensive, means costly. Fifth is I like colorful dresses, that is fancy dresses. Then all the students have the correct answers, that is right answers. Okay. Now the next bit, what does each of the following animals do? Match them with the word and write under the animal. One is done for us. So from this box we have to take the words and write it below the picture. First is a horse gallops. Second, an eagle soars, right? An eagle soars. Third is a snake slithers. Snake क्या करता है? Slither करता है, यानी it crawls in a zigzag way. Then fourth is a lamb gambols. A lamb gambols. Fifth one, it's a picture of kangaroo, but here it is penguin given. So strike that one out and write kangaroo there. Okay, it's a misprint there, so write kangaroo. Okay, so kangaroo hops. Kangaroo क्या करता है? Hopping करता है. Then a penguin, what does a penguin do? Here also kangaroo given, so write penguin there. Penguin waddles. What does it do? It wabbles because it's having a webbed feet. Then third one, sorry, next bit, form an adjective from the noun given in the box, then fill in the blanks. ओके सो हमें ये जो वर्ड्स दिए गए ये वर्ड्स का एडजेक्टिव का क्या करना है, नाउन बनाना है, देन फिल इन करना है. फर्स्ट वन इज एंगर, एन एंग्री टीचर. ओके. सेकेंड इज फ्रेंड, अ डैश पर्सन. फ्रेंड का नाउन क्या हो जाएगा, फ्रेंडली. अ फ्रेंडली, सॉरी एडजेक्टिव हो जाएगा फ्रेंडली, अ फ्रेंडली पर्सन. देन थर्ड वन इज एक्सपेंस. सो एडजेक्टिव क्या होगा इसका, एक्सपेंसिव, एन एक्सपेंसिव परफ्यूम. Fourth one is fur, a dash rabbit, a furry rabbit. कौन सा rabbit हो जाएगा, furry rabbit. Then fifth one coward. Coward का adjective क्या होगा, cowardly, a cowardly act. Sixth one value, a dash painting. Value का adjective होगा valuable, a valuable painting. 7th one, storm, a dash day. Storm का adjective stormy, a stormy day. 8th one, danger, a dash snake. Danger का adjective होगा dangerous, a dangerous snake. 9th one, comfort, a dash chair means a comfortable chair. Then 10th one, haste, a dash decision, a hasty decision. Okay. Now next bit, unjumble the letters to make a word that has both meanings given in the brackets. क्या करना है, ये वर्ड्स को हमें प्रॉपरली जंबल करना है, एक वर्ड बनाना है, ये दोनों मीनिंग्स को एक ही वर्ड है. ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड अ वर्ड दैट सूट्स बोथ द meanings from the bracket, right? So first one is, it is given here as a bark, that is a tree covering and noise of a dog. Okay, जब ट्री का जो तना होता है, उसको जो लकड़ी होती है जो कवर करती है, what it is called as bark. Then what does the dog does? It also barks. Then next one, young cow and lower leg. काउ के बेबी को क्या बोलेंगे? calf. And lower leg, हमारे घुटने से जो नीचे पैर होता है उसको क्या बोलेंगे? calf बोलेंगे, right? So that means calf. So right here calf. Then next is not ill and water hole. Not ill means if you are not ill, what you will say? You are not well. Then water hole means well, W-E-L-L, well. Then fourth is serious and Tom. Serious means you are very serious about it, you are very grave about it. Tom means जिसे हम खबर बोलते हैं, that is also called as Tom. So it is grave. So write G-R-A-V-E, grave. Then fifth one, plain or spur of water. Plain, what is a plain called as? It is also called as an jet, J-E-T, jet. And spur of water, पानी जो फुवारे से निकलता, that is also called as jet. So write jet here. Then caring and type of thing. Care करना. Okay, what would say? Kind. So write it here, kind. And type of thing means it's also kind. Okay. So I hope you have written this all. Write the spellings correctly. Don't make any mistakes. Fine. So with this we'll stop here. In the next class we'll do with the next part of the exercise, that is formative behind this. So we'll do with that in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and don't trouble your parents.